is Irgi Patmodu Surya Putrastianto, and for this video, I will present the result of analyzing these two poems. The Cry of a Dreamer, Types of Poetry. The Cry of a Dreamer is a lyric poem because it expresses the personal emotion and thoughts of the speaker, focusing on their inner experiences and aspirations rather than telling a narrative story. The focus is on the internal experience of the dreamer, conveying a sense of personal reflection and introspection. Voice and tones. The voice is that of a dreamer, someone who feels misunderstood and out of place in a world focused on practicality and materialism. The tones is melancholic, introspective, and somewhat defiant. There is a sense of yearning for a world that appreciates dreams and imagination. Figure of speech, metaphor. The poem used the metaphor to illustrate the dreamer's inner world and the conflict with external reality. The world is full of dreamers who never do much more. The dreamers are metaphorically depicted as those who dream but do not achieve in the practical sense, highlighting a perceived lack of accomplishment. Personification. Personification is used to give human qualities to abstract concepts. The world rolls into darkness, and they are left alone. The world is personified as moving into darkness, leaving dreamers in isolation. Imagery. Vivid image creates a stark contrast between the dreamer's internal aspiration and the external world's indifference. They never see the flowers growing in the street. This image suggests that dreamers notice beauty that others overlook, emphasizing their unique perspective. Hyperbole. Exaggeration emphasizes the dreamer's struggles and isolation. They toil and sweat in vain, slash and reap a thorny crown. This hyperbole underscores the futility of the dreamers' efforts in a world that does not value their contribution. Sound device. Rhyme schemes. The ABAB rhyme schemes gives the poem a musical quality, reinforcing its lyrical nature and the emotional cadence of the dreamer's reflection. Alliteration. Repetition of consonant sound adds to the poem's musicality. Dreamers dare to dream. The repetition of the this sound creates a rhythmic effect. Assonance. The repetition of vowel sounds enhance the poem's internal music. Flowers growing. The repetition of the O sound creates a soothing effect. Rhythm and meter. The poem often use regular meter such as iambic or trochaic, which provides a steady rhythm that mirrors the dreamer's contemplative state. The regularity of the meter contrasts with the irregularity of the dreamer's experience. There is no death. Types of poetry. This poem is a lyric because it expresses deep personal beliefs and emotion about death and immortality. The speaker reflects on the concept of death, providing a philosophical and comforting perspective. Voice and tones. The voice in this poem is that of a reassuring and philosophical speaker. The speaker aims to comfort the reader with the idea that death is not the end, but a transition is another form of existence. The tone is optimistic and serene, offering a peaceful and hopeful view of death. The speaker's confidence in the continuity of life provides a sense of comfort and assurance. Figure of speech, metaphor. Metaphors are used to depict death as a natural part of life's cycle. There is no death, the stars go down, slash to rise upon some pharosaur. Here, death is metaphorically described as the setting of stars, suggesting that they will rise again elsewhere, symbolizing the soul's journey. Imagery: vivid image of nature and the cosmos illustrate the idea of eternal life. And bright in heaven, jeweled crown, slash they shine forevermore. This imagery evokes a vision of stars as jewels in the heavenly crown, symbolizing the everlasting nature of the soul. Personification: nature and death are given human qualities to emphasize their roles in the cycle of life. The stars go down. The flowers may fade. Stars and flowers are personified to show the continuity and renewal inherent in nature. Hyperbole: exaggeration underscore the eternal nature of the soul. And Everneros, though unseen, the dear immortal spirit's trait. The hyperbole emphasizes the constant presence of immortal spirits, suggesting that loved ones are always near even if unseen. Sound device: rhyme scheme. The ABAB rhyme scheme provides a harmonious and balanced structure, reinforcing the poem's serene and comforting message. Alliteration: the use of alliteration adds a musical and soothing quality to the poem. The stars go down, to rise upon. The repetition of the S and R sound creates a gentle flowing effect. Assonance: repetition of vowel sound enhance the poem's lyric quality. They shine forevermore. The repetition of the E sound creates a melodic resonance. Overall impact: the cry of the dreamer, the melancholic and introspective tone coupled with vivid imagery and metaphor creates a powerful depiction of the dreamer's flight in a practical world. The regular rhymes, schemes, and rhythm enhance the poem's musicality and emotional depth, making the dreamer's inner conflict palpable to the reader. There is no death. The comforting and optimistic tone, rich imagery, and metaphor create a reassuring message about the immortality of the soul. The harmonious rhyme scheme and steady rhythm contribute to the poem's soothing and uplifting impact, providing solace and hope to the reader. So that's all for the presentation of the result of the analysis of these two poems. Thank you.